Welcome to Z Missions, where we unravel the chilling narrative of a global battle for Arctic supremacy. Today, we delve into the war-torn landscapes of shifting ice caps and geopolitical maneuvering. Join us as we explore the unfolding saga of nations vying for control in the Arctic, with Russia currently leading the charge. In this episode, we dissect the alarming developments in the Arctic region, where climate change has unfrozen not just untapped natural resources, but also a new frontier for international conflict. Stay with us as we unravel the complex web of interests and power dynamics in this icy theater of contention. The year 2023 witnessed a surge in global conflicts, from the Middle East to Ukraine, and the battle lines extended to a new unforeseen arena, the Arctic. As climate change reshapes the Arctic landscape, melting ice exposes vast untapped resources, opening up new trade routes and triggering a race for strategic superiority. Leading this charge are major powers like Russia, China, and the United States, each plotting their course towards polar supremacy. Why is the Arctic pivotal in this global power play? Well, the once frozen wilderness is now a geopolitical hotspot due to its vast reservoirs of resources. The receding ice caps reveal staggering quantities of oil and natural gas, with the Arctic estimated to hold 15% of the world's undiscovered oil and 30% of its natural gas. Beyond fossil fuels, the region boasts rare earth minerals crucial for modern technologies, making it a treasure trove for nations eyeing economic and technological advancement. Arctic conditions also lend themselves to renewable energy opportunities, such as solar and wind power. The accessibility of key trade routes like the Northern Sea Route or the NSR becomes a game changer, offering significant reductions in shipping times and fuel use. As the ice continues to recede, even historically inaccessible regions become navigable, making the Arctic a lucrative proposition for global trade. While major powers compete for Arctic supremacy, Russia has surged ahead strategically. Possessing the world's largest and most advanced fleet of icebreakers, Russia has secured a crucial advantage in navigating icy waters, crucial for controlling shipping routes and resource extraction. The Kremlin's substantial investments in military infrastructure and cyber capabilities position Russia at the forefront of Arctic dominance. Russia's assertiveness extends to ownership claims over the Northern Sea Route, creating tensions with other Arctic nations and Western powers. The geopolitical chessboard sees Russia not only enhancing its military capabilities in the region, but also employing cyber attacks and disinformation campaigns to destabilize rival operations. China, branding itself as a near-Arctic state, is making strategic inroads into the Arctic race. Despite lacking territorial claims, China's observer status in the Arctic Council and investments in polar technology highlight its ambitions. Beijing's dependence on critical waterways adds urgency to its quest for Arctic influence, aligning with its broader naval power and economic priorities. As the Arctic becomes a focal point for global competition, the need for international governance intensifies. Western-aligned Arctic nations face the challenge of countering Russian and Chinese dominance. The prospect of enhanced NATO membership, with Finland and Sweden potentially joining, creates an opportunity for a unified response to maintain a balance of power. The Arctic, once a frozen frontier, is now a battleground for global powers seeking supremacy. Russia's dominance and China's ascent set the stage for a complex geopolitical drama. The world watches as nations jockey for control in this icy arena, with the fate of untapped resources and newfound trade routes hanging in the balance. And there you have it, fearless voyagers. We've navigated the treacherous waters of Arctic geopolitics, witnessing the clash of titans in this icy theater. As the Arctic landscape transforms, so does the balance of global power. If you found this expedition through the frigid realms of international competition intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Your support fuels our mission to unravel the world's most gripping narratives. What other frontiers would you like us to explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and together we'll embark on more thrilling Z missions. Until our next rendezvous, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the uncharted territories of knowledge. This is Z Missions, signing off.